Your home's siding is one of the most important elements in maintaining both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. It provides protection from the elements, enhances your home's energy efficiency, and plays a major role in your home's curb appeal. Over time, however, siding can begin to show signs of wear and tear, especially in areas like Macomb, where the weather can range from hot, humid summers to cold, snowy winters. Knowing the signs that it's time for new siding is essential in maintaining your home's safety, comfort, and appearance. Here are the top signs that your Macomb home needs new siding. Visible cracks, warps, or holes in the siding. One of the most obvious signs that your home needs new siding is visible damage. Over time, exposure to extreme weather conditions, such as high winds, rain, and snow, can cause your siding to crack, warp, or even form holes. These issues not only affect your home's appearance but can also compromise its structural integrity. When the siding is damaged, moisture can seep into the underlying materials, leading to wood rot, mold, and mildew growth, which can result in expensive repairs. If you notice cracks or holes in the siding, it's crucial to replace it as soon as possible to prevent further damage and potential safety hazards. A professional siding contractor can inspect your home and recommend the best materials to prevent such damage in the future. Fading or discoloration. Your siding can begin to lose its vibrant color after years of sun exposure, leading to noticeable fading or discoloration. This is especially common in areas like Macomb, where the sun's rays can be strong during the summer months. While some fading is natural over time, extensive fading or uneven discoloration can indicate that your siding has lost its protective coating. If the color of your siding has faded significantly, it may be time to consider replacing it. New siding not only restores the aesthetic appeal of your home but also provides better protection against UV rays, preventing further fading and deterioration. Increased energy bills. One of the hidden signs that your siding needs replacement is an increase in your energy bills. Over time, siding can lose its ability to insulate your home effectively, leading to drafts and air leaks. In Macomb, where winters can be cold and summers can be hot and humid, this loss of insulation can put a strain on your HVAC system, forcing it to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If you've noticed a steady rise in your energy bills despite regular maintenance of your HVAC system, it may be time to replace your siding. Modern siding materials, such as fiber cement, vinyl, and insulated panels, provide better insulation and can help improve your home's energy efficiency, reducing your utility costs over time. Peeling paint or wallpaper inside your home. If you notice peeling paint or wallpaper bubbling inside your home, it could be a sign that moisture is getting through your siding and affecting the interior of your home. This happens when your siding becomes damaged or worn down, allowing water to seep through and infiltrate the walls. This issue can lead to mold and mildew growth inside your home, as well as wood rot, which can weaken your home's structural integrity. If you spot signs of water damage on the interior of your home, it's essential to have your siding inspected. Replacing your siding with a more durable, water-resistant option will help keep moisture out and prevent further damage to your walls and insulation. Loose or falling siding panel. If you notice that sections of your siding are becoming loose, falling off, or detaching from the wall, this is a clear indication that your siding has reached the end of its life. Loose siding is not only unsightly but can also lead to further damage as the exposed areas are more susceptible to moisture, dirt, and pest infiltration. In some cases, it can even result in drafts, compromising the insulation of your home. If you're seeing loose siding, it's best to replace the damaged sections or the entire exterior for better protection. A professional siding contractor can assess the situation and help you choose the best solution for your home. Pest infestation or presence of mold. Another sign that your siding needs replacing is the presence of pests or holes that allow insects to get into your home. Over time, damaged or deteriorating siding can create gaps or spaces where insects like termites, carpenter ants, or rodents can enter. If you notice an increase in pest activity around your home, it could be due to compromised siding. In addition to causing structural damage, pest infestations can also be difficult to control. Replacing your siding with newer, pest-resistant materials can help protect your home from unwanted guests and keep your home safe and secure. Age of your siding. Even if your siding doesn't show obvious signs of damage, age alone can be a reason to consider replacing it. Most types of siding have a lifespan of 20-30 years, depending on the material. If your siding is approaching and has exceeded its expected lifespan, it's a good idea to replace it before issues arise. Older siding materials may not provide the same level of protection, insulation, or energy efficiency as modern options. If your home's siding is over 2 decades old, it's time to consider a professional inspection to assess its condition and determine whether it's time for a replacement. Final thought. Replacing your siding is an investment in your home's protection, comfort, and value. In Macomb, where the weather can be unpredictable, ensuring that your siding is in good condition is essential for maintaining the integrity of your home. If you notice cracks, fading, rising energy costs, or any of the other signs listed above, it may be time to replace your siding. Professional installation of modern, durable siding materials will not only improve your home's appearance but also offer long-term protection from the elements, pests, and costly repairs.